I know you're big on artificial intelligence and where that industry is going. Can you? I know you can't obviously go into minute detail about current works that you're doing with the Navy, but do you want to go into, I guess, some of your experience the Navy's leveraging AI for success?
Sure. So my moonlighting job is I'm an active reservist for the Royal Australian Navy, and so I work in Wharf Renovation Navy, in particular the Directorate of Navy AI. And so whilst I'll say this as a private citizen as opposed to a representative of the Navy, what Navy's been doing is looking at various applications of artificial intelligence to basically deliver upon strategic plans set by, previous and current Chief of Navy. And those key lines, which, it's public-facing documents, so it's not like I'm exposing any kind of government secrets. I'd get into a lot of trouble and probably lose my security clearance if I did give anything away, but I won't be doing that. If anyone important is listening or DSD is listening, fundamentally, it's things like, our ability to sustain our fleet, it's our ability to project lethality and deliver support and capability to basically both our fleet, our personnel, and then any kind of our warfighting capability. And really, there's various aspects in a report that was published, I think it was last year or the year before last, which was the RAS AI strategy for 2040. And, a good way of talking about the way they were thinking about artificial intelligence was, humans, on the loop, humans in the loop, or, AI being the loop itself, which is really various ways of looking at artificial intelligence being used across that cyber physical domain. And really, if I talk broadly for a second, in the broader defense environment, because people operate really in that physical domain, technology is about how do we assist people to do things more effectively in that physical domain. It's not ever really just purely digital unless you're working purely in that, digital information effects, information warfare, electronic warfare space. For pretty much everyone else, we're working on something physically.